Where is it? Please tell us. Do you have your own website? Do you have your own domain name with your portfolio? I mean, today we have all these social media platforms where we can actually share our work online. So why even bother? Now, let me tell you why it is still relevant in 2021 and 2022 to have your own website and why you shouldn't use social media platforms for your portfolio. This is actually the first thing I will look out for if I need any information on a future business partner or collaborator. And this is also the first thing I will share if I want to show my work. It will be the link to my portfolio. In 2021, I regularly posted on Instagram, YouTube, and from time to time on Vimeo, Behance, and Facebook, which is already too much to my taste. No TikTok, no Snapchat, no Flickr, no 500px anymore. I'm still using Instagram because a lot of my clients are still reaching out to me there. It's a platform that is easy to use. I can share updates on whatever projects I'm working on, test shoots, silly stuff. It is in no way a place where you can really understand what I'm doing and the services that I provide. Plus, my images on Instagram, they don't look good. I mean, you can't even post vertical images natively on the app. My environmental portraits, where sometimes the background is as important as my model, well, it doesn't look good at all, even when you open these files, these images from the app on your desktop computer. And if you get caught in this game of likes and followers, you will have to post very often, very regularly, because you don't want to be drowned in this sea of content. You want to be seen. So this will have an impact on the type of work that you share. And also, we all know now that Instagram is trying to copy TikTok, so they are pushing forward Reels and video content at the moment. YouTube is still the king for video content, and obviously because this is where people are, and I am on Facebook for the very same reasons. Starting and having a genuine conversation on all these platforms and posting natively on all these platforms can take a lot of time. You want to show you are busy, you want to share updates on your current and upcoming projects, and sometimes share mundane things, photos and videos of you outside your business. And for all these reasons, you cannot share these platforms to future business partners or future clients. Every time I present my work to people, to future clients, I want them to clearly understand the work that I want to be paid for. And if I do a wide variety of things, I want them to easily access each and every category. And I want a place of my own, a place that is unique, that reflects who I am, that will help me stand out. This is an experience you cannot offer with YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. I mean, still today, I believe that showing your work through your own website makes your work look more professional. And recently I decided to leave WordPress for a more convenient and hassle-free experience for my portfolio, because let's face it, coding is a pain in the ass. So with all these site builders out there, why did I choose Zyro? It's a powerful, super affordable website builder, easy to use, and the base of my new online portfolio was made in less than 24 hours, because I'm a perfectionist. Starting from less than $3 a month with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 24/7 support. I've asked tons of questions in the live chat and always got a response. Their customer service has been top-notch so far, and this is really important for me. Simple drag and drop editing, no design skills or coding knowledge needed. Blogging tools, hundreds of designer-made templates, mobile responsive design, SEO friendly, and if you already have a domain name like me, you can easily connect it to your new website. And because I love you guys, there is a promo code in the description box below that will give you 72% off plus 3 months free for any yearly plan. Also, if you follow my affiliated links, you kind of support the channel, so that's pretty cool. Now that you have your own space with a real portfolio, you know what to share every time it's time for business. And this is what I've been doing for years. Anytime someone asks for my work as a photographer or filmmaker, this is the link that I share. I rarely share my social handles first unless they ask for it. And you know what? So far it kind of worked for me. I convinced people to work with me after seeing my portfolio and even got access to crazy location because they were so impressed with my work after seeing my website. So tell us, do you have your own website, your own domain name with your portfolio on it? Are you using a website builder? Share all these links with us in the comments below. I'm also curious to see the type of work that you guys do. Huge thanks to Zyro for sponsoring this video. If you wish to create your own website, please use the affiliated links in the description box below because this also supports the channel. Thanks in advance. That's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this one. Of course, I will keep you updated with this website and my experience with Zyro. I guess that I will catch you in the next one, but until then, please have a good one.